YouTube, how the heck is it going? So today I just want to kind of dress up the car. I want to put the lights back on, the headlights back on, since I'm done painting this car. You know, I don't want to touch it anymore. I'm not going to put a clear on it. I'm not going to do anything like that because I don't mind how it is right now. So like I said, I'm going to dress it back up. I'm going to put the lights back on it, and we'll clean it up and get it out and, you know, go for a little ride in it. I miss taking it out on the road, like, even though it's in my neighborhood. I need to get more miles on that clutch anyways, because I'm trying to get it onto the next race event. So let's get this started. So still have the taillights and all that stuff in. Maybe I should clean these up and put a nice little clear on that. What do you guys think? Let's clean these up a little bit. So I'm going to use 2000 grit on it. Let's get these cleaned up, get some clear on them. Maybe we can make it look brand new. YouTube, how the heck is it going? So I'm editing the video right now as we speak, this video right here. So we are so close to 500 followers. Please don't forget, if you didn't hit that sub button down below, hit it now. Or maybe by chance YouTube unsubscribed you guys. Check the sub button down below, see if you guys are subscribed. If you're not, hit that, and the notification bell. It does help out a lot. Thank you. What do you guys think? It looks a lot better to me. Feels nice and smooth. I'm gonna hit it one more time though. Go over them, actually probably a couple times, then put a nice clear over it. Get all this little black specks that I see. So let me get going on that. I'll finish one light up and show you guys what it looks like. So let's do this. That's a before. That way you guys can see. Here's an after. So all I'm using is just 2000 grit sandpaper. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit it with a clear after to keep this gloss finish look on it. It's gonna look so much better than the car, but hey, let me get both of them done. Then when I get to the clear phase, I'll show you what I'm doing. All right, now I got light number 2 done. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna let these dry for a second. Go over it with my brake cleaner that you guys hate so much. Then yeah, I'm gonna get some clear on it. I'm gonna go check out the other back tail lights and see how those look. And maybe I could clean those up too. So yeah, these taillights look like crap too. So I'm just gonna hit them together. Why not? So I'm gonna get these done. Alright, so let these all dry now. I'm not going to touch the headlights because honestly I'm not planning on using the headlights. You know, one, all my bulbs are painted anyways, but two, I'm not planning on actually using them. I'm going to try to make like 3D print ducts to cool things down. And then a duct over there on my driver's side over there for the turbo inlet. So I'm just gonna throw the headlights on so it could look more complete, but other than that it's probably gonna sit with no bulbs in them. So got my trusty old brake cleaner out again. I don't know why you guys got so mad about this, about me using this on any painting things. It just degreases. It takes off the fingerprints, it takes off the oils, it takes off everything. Let's get it sprayed down. Let's get this oils off. So right now, putting the last bolt on, the headlights, last bolt on. Bam, now the headlights are done. That's the front of the car. Now I'm still waiting for this to dry. But we do look okay. Do this one. One over here. Oof. A little bit of running that I didn't catch. But it's alright. Take some 2000 grit to that. If I made a smart decision to let the bolts, I did. God, I'm so proud of myself. All the bolts back here. What do you guys think? How's it look? I feel like I'm missing something back here. There's supposed to be like a little gasket. I feel like there's supposed to be a little gasket back here. Let me see if I can find the gasket, see if there is one. So if there's supposed to be a gasket, it's nowhere in this car because I just kind of looked everywhere for it. And I know I'm putting the headlights on the right way. See, this one looks a little bit more flush. Man, they would look better. Well, let me zip these on. So when I test fitted the lights, I didn't like the red in the middle. So I decided to spray paint it black. I put it on. And I just didn't like the red there. I like the reds on the outside. I get those are my reverse lights, but I'm not daily driving the car, so I don't think I need reverse lights. Let's see what the track says when I take it to there. But I put up a black piece of paper there and there, and I liked it so much better. So I decided to paint it black. So I got it on so you guys can see. Like I said, I think it looks so much better. I don't need reverse lights like I said, but like, man, does it look clean. It looks sleek. Looks like it's supposed to be there. As you guys can tell, this is kind of a thrown together video. I had nothing filmed, nothing ready to go. I've been having my kid with me since school is on a little break, so I haven't had any time. My wife took my kid to go see her mom for the evening. They went out to dinner and all that stuff, so I stayed back so I could record. She knew I wanted to get some filming done. But alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There's a lot more to come to this channel. I love you. Bye-bye.
Stupid slut, she dancing.